In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to connect WhatsApp to laptop. So first of all, we need to install WhatsApp in our laptop. So for that, you can simply go to the Microsoft Store and search here WhatsApp just like this, and then open this WhatsApp app, and then we need to click on install, and the app will be installed on your laptop. In case you don't want to install WhatsApp in your laptop, then similarly you can go to the any web browser and search here web WhatsApp. Once you search it here, then click on the first website, which is web.whatsapp.com, and once you're on this website, you can download the app from here as well. But in case you want to access your WhatsApp from this web version, then for that just go to the web.whatsapp.com in your laptop. And now what we need to do, open your mobile's WhatsApp and then click on the three dots from the top right corner. Once you click on it, then go to the link devices option. Under it, we need to click on link a device from the bottom. Once we tap on it, then provide the passcode on your mobile. So we need to provide our password and scan the QR code which is available on your laptop screen just like this. And after that, your mobile phone's WhatsApp will be automatically connected to your laptop, and this is the process. Now you can access all of your chats on your laptop screen. In case you want to log out from your laptop, then for that just tap on this Google Chrome icon on your mobile, and then from here we need to click on logout, and the WhatsApp will be logged out from your laptop. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.